Okay, so a little lesson on laws of exponents, page 212. All of these laws are on page 212 in the little gray box. First of all, a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. If you have a quantity raised to a power, ab to the power m can be written as a to the m, b to the m, or nicely written a to the m, b to the m. You don't need the multiplication sign in between. Rule number 3, a power raised to a power, a to the m to the power n. The rule for a power raised to a power, multiply the exponents, m times n, mn. So a to the mn. All right, there's the first 3. A couple more here. 4a. This is for when the exponent on m is greater than the exponent on n. The answer would be a to the m minus n, and you subtract the exponents and the variable stays on top. The other case of this situation, if n is bigger, if the bottom exponent is bigger, in this case, the variable stays on the bottom, and we have 1 over a to the m n minus m. You always want the biggest exponent first when you're doing this subtraction so that all of your exponents are positive. The last rule is a over b, the whole quantity to the exponent m, and that can distribute to both things, a to the m over b to the m. So, there are the exponent rules. Now let's see if we can use those to reduce some fractions. I'm doing some samples that are going to be like page 212. In this expression here, 9x to the third y squared over 3x squared y to the fifth. Take the coefficient part of the numbers and reduce that. Hopefully you... Alright, to reduce this fraction, hopefully you notice that 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. Let's take the x values. There's 2 x's on the bottom, 3 on the top. Cross 2 of those out with 2 here, leaving 1x. Do the same thing with the y's. There's 2 y's here, cross out 2 down here. I have y to the third. Let's neaten that up. 3x over y to the third. Let's try another one. 4 and 18. 4 doesn't go into 18 evenly, so let's use 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 18, 9. Now let's look at the a's. I can cross out 1a here, cross out 1a here, leave a squared. Cross out 1b here, cross out 1b here, b to the third. Neaten up our answer. We have 2a squared on top and 9b to the third on the bottom. Let's try another one. I've got 2 more here. All right. In this one, you'll notice there's some multiplying. I have a rule, which is before you multiply, see if you can reduce. Notice this 3 and this 6. That reduces 3 into 3, 3 into 6. C's. There's 2 here. Cross out 2 here. Leave c squared. How about D? 4 d's here. Cross out with 4 d's here. Leaves d squared. Final answer on the top. C squared, d squared. Hey, can I reduce that 2 with that 2? I hope you say no. They're both on the bottom, so they can't cross each other out. So 2 times 2 is 4. There's the answer. Okay, next one, a quantity squared. Well, let's write the quantity twice. 3x over 5y to the third times 3x over 5y to the third. Check to see if something reduces. Doesn't look like it. So let's multiply. 9x squared over 25y to the sixth. Remember, add exponents when you multiply. Okay, here's another one. I noticed the y's can reduce, but I can't reduce these y's because of that exponent. So I have to simplify this a little bit first. So let's rewrite it. 4x over 3y to the 7th times y to the 4th times y to the 4th times y to the 4th, y to the 12th over 8x to the 6th. Now I can reduce. 4 goes into the 8 twice. 7 y's cross out here to leave 5. One of these x's can cross out here to leave x to the 5th. So, final answer, y to the 5th over 2 times 3 is 6x to the 5th. It's a little bit hard to read, but I think you get the point. Okay, let's do a couple more. Again, if you have a quantity raised to an exponent, you have to simplify that first. So, minus 2 squared is 4. Through x to the 3rd squared, x to the 6th, y to the 4th. Didn't have to do anything to the bottom. And what do I get when I reduce this? 4 goes in here once, 3. So I've got a 3 on the bottom. Cross out 2 x's here with 2 here, x to the 4th. The y's are completely gone, so I get x to the 4th over 3. One more. This one's to the 3rd power, minus 2 to the 3rd power, negative 8. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. X to the 3rd to the 3rd, x to the 9th, y to the 3rd. All over 9x squared y to the 4th. All right, 8 and 9, can't reduce. The x's, take 2 of these, take 2 with here, x to the 7th. Y's, take 3 of these, take 3 of these, leaves a y. Final answer, 9y on the bottom, negative 8x to the 7th on top. There you go. All right, get started. Do page 213, 1 through 8 all, and good luck. I think you'll be fine.